Fractions made easy.
In today's lesson, you will learn how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction and how to convert a mixed fraction back to an improper fraction. Let's convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, first you divide the numerator by the denominator. Here we have 8 over 5, which is called 8/5. There are 8 stars. We're going to look for how many 5s we have in 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have one group of 5s in 8. That one will be our whole number. We have remainders. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Our remainder will become our numerator at the top. And then our denominator will still be 5. It remains the same. Let's convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Step 1. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. And this is 5 times 3. You can as well say 3 times 5. It will give you 15. Step 2. Add the numerator to the result. Our numerator is 2. So 15 plus 2 is 17. What we have here is 17 over 3. So we simply 3 times 5 plus 2 over 3, which is 17 over 3. Our next example says, convert two whole number 4 over 5 to an improper fraction. It is simply 5 times 2 plus 4, and this gives us 14. Our final answer is 14 over 5. If you're able to understand this, then bravo to you! We have a fun quick quiz. Convert these improper fractions to mixed fractions. Be fast, the clock is ticking. If you're done, go to the next question. It says, convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. Be fast. The clock is ticking. Don't worry, you've got this. Oh no, it's time up. But I'm sure you did well. Cross-check your answers. Great job. Keep it up. Now you understand basic fractions.